What's going on with you? What's going on? What would you like to talk about? Do you need a snack? Are you hungry? Look, if you want food, go up there. If you want mommy, you come up here. Do you want food or mom? What do you want? What do you want? You're insane. You're an insane kitty. Oh, I'm so happy. There's leftover pizza. There's leftover pizza, kitty. Yay. It's been a long day. Are you adorable as heck? Are you adorable as heck? You're bonkers. We'll climb on the back. That's not a good view.